Hello, I'm Mohammed Hishaam and I got a 94% score in the IIT Qualifier 2024 examination. The Qualifier examination is given after 4 weeks of the course, which determines whether you get into the program or not. For me, it was pretty easy because of Rahul sir and his help. From V4AI, he took daily classes and doubt clearing sessions, which helped me a lot. Why? Because obviously the course that is given by IIT Madras videos are good, but you still have doubts left inside of you. Yeah? Having a teacher present all the time, able to help clear the doubt for you whenever you want, is game changing. Because you can try clearing the doubts yourself, but having someone do it for you faster, saves time, and is more efficient. Yeah. He also started a week before everyone, allowing us to have more headroom, a head start, which made everything just a tad bit more fluid, which allowed us to be more better before the examination. Thank you, sir.